Okay, I have never done an unboxing video. So, but we just bought some new product. So I thought that I would do my very first unboxing video. I designed the graphics for this myself, and I am no graphic designer. So, but after I designed it, several times the company contacted me and was like, "This doesn't work. Can you please fix this?" So I get to see how it turned out. Okay, oops, right, my kitchen table's got a ton of stuff on it. Okay, so from Disc Makers. Let's see. Okay, this is my 6 hours of stories USB, and it just has like images from my CDs on the cover. Oh, look at this. So I have earrings on that side, and then on this side it looks like we have been the victims of drive-by shootings.
It does.
But there we are. And the inside, oh, this is actually kind of cool. It worked out very well. So if you open the inside, you can see there's part of my face, and it tells you what CDs are on the USB. But the cool thing about this, if anyone hasn't seen it, is, yes, it looks like a tape cassette, but inside is this. So here are my new USBs for adults. Woohoo!